hair.
I look horrible. See this list? We're at the RV show. You guys know that, right? We promised to give you some behind the scenes, but we've been so busy. This list, you can see we're crossing stuff off. Sheila is starting. So she's starting a dishwasher. The place is a complete disaster in here.
It is. Like we just keep going.
On show type scenarios like this, things just get thrown aside. And we just drop things and then just take off.
I will say it is nice to be able to come over, make something to eat,
take a quick little nap,
get another bottle of water, and out we go.
Yeah, so we wanted to share something with you because if we wanted to kind of give you some peeks behind the curtain, this is nap time. I'm a mess right now. And we're walking in and we're going to go sign up for something because it was something we wanted to do for a while, and it's a CoachNet, if you don't know anything about it. We saw them over at the Blue Compass booth when we were shooting video with them, and we got to thinking, I was like, if anyone that's a bigger rig and stuff, it might be something that'd be of value. And then, so we're going to walk and we're going to show you what the show is really like.
Well, and we thought, well, we were going to sign up we were looking at CoachNet anyway, and then to realize that it's part of the RV Complete with Blue Compass that you can get a discount.
And they're doing the show special at $1, and then they have 50% off if you're watching at home. So we're going to go do that while we can, because tomorrow is going to be another hectic day, and we have some downtime, and it would be just a good time to share something different.
Let's do it.
Roll the intro.
A man and woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it
All right, everyone is it's getting later and there's only 2 hours left of the show, so it's usually calmed down a little bit, but being Friday, it might not be so. If you've ever heard of the mayor of Margaritaville, that's Rob. If you watched our other content, Rob pushes close to 90 feet by the time he double tows. He puts the Jeep on there, and then he has that, and then he can tow another vehicle behind. So yeah, but he's the one that actually kind of got us heading in the right direction when we modified our truck. So it's great. And yes, we're running the wall, letting everyone see there's trams that walk by. So they generally stop. It's like we're on parade or something. But today is good. It started out like 38 degrees, but today it's like 59. So we're gonna walk in over here. It's nice we can cut through over here. We'll go through the building, and then we've got to go all the way to the other building to go find the booth. And we'll let's find
a golf cart.
Oh man, when you find a golf cart here, courtesy cart,
it's winning.
It's like, yeah, you're like rock star status if they stop and ask you if you want to ride. But a lot of times, here's your little tip. You have to stop them and say, hey, are you busy? It'll say courtesy cart on the golf cart, but the show's so much bigger this year, you might find yourself all the way over at the Alliance booth on the other side, and then you got to come all the way back across. Whew, that's some walking.
Yeah, it's an easy 9,000 steps a day.
I don't have that. I don't have the step calculator.
Well, it would be, you wouldn't want to look at yours typically.
I don't like
5.
It's so funny. 5. I walk more than 5.
To your one wheel and back.
Yeah, the one wheel's fabulous.
Hello again.
It's another day. This is the techno booth, or techno building. Building A.
Techo.
So we've got all of our little RV parks in here. The vendors are great this year, I think. A lot of little differences. It's so hard to get into this place. A lot of times vendors wait to get in, and once they're here, they lock in.
Okay, so why do I want to blow up 2 hours? It's got to fix it.
There's our wonderful friends at Tolona Ridge. They're doing some sort of a special here as well, which is kind of fun. And then there's always the cookware person. At least 2 or 3 times. A lot of people ask Sheila how far we get without being stopped.
Oh, it's been actually really good. We always enjoy seeing people.
Yeah. Oh, it's calmed down a little bit. We're gonna go this way. This is that new back way. We kind of wish we didn't share with you that there was a restaurant back here.
Right?
Hey, it is the Switch It Up guys. Say hi.
Hi, how you doing?
You guys just chilling?
We're just chilling.
They're chilling.
That's
Wait for YouTubers to come by.
Waiting for YouTubers. Thank you. So that little restaurant we said was back here, and it was so busy today, we couldn't even eat there, could we?
No, we decided to walk just a few more steps to go eat in the rig, which was the right choice.
This is the new Pebble. The Pebble's pretty cool. It's all electric and you can actually control it.
Still cold.
Yeah, we're gonna cut through here next to the building, maybe, because this goes straight back, right? You have to admit, this is an absolutely brilliant setup by Brinkley. It's the talk of the show. It's a pretty nice setup where
It's a really
they have
nice.
everything.
It is a really nice setup.
Hey,
Opening up this space
makes a big difference.
makes a big difference. They got a nice little area to sit down in there and just hang out.
Now we got to boogie all the way across into that other area. It's behind
I
the
like
scenes.
the new color.
This
of that.
color is
Yeah,
fabulous.
that is cool. Of all
I guess
the
it's
new,
probably one of those things where you either like it or not like it. But
yeah,
it's pretty
I
nice.
like it.
I don't even think it shows up well in the camera. It's like a gold and black.
It's kind of a beigeish gold, maybe.
A beigeish gold.
Yeah, I like gold, not like the spacecraft gold.
Yeah. Look at the crowds. Most of them are going out though. That's good.
This guy's been here making wood signs
Since
for
we've
I
ever come.
don't know how long.
He's on the corner here. The old spacecraft is kicking it up here. Man. When you walk in this building, you're just like, wow. Right? We don't even go over there. We don't even walk on that carpet.
No, I can't afford to walk on that black carpet.
We can't afford to even walk on the carpet over there. No, we can walk over here.
Yeah,
I mean, these are nice.
I can walk on it. That doesn't mean I can buy anything on. If it's on carpet, I can't buy it. I think that's my.
Well, wait, I think the spacecraft is on like AstroTurf.
No, yeah, it's not on carpet.
Oh, we're going around the corner. It is so unique to see these though. It's a lot of fun. This is the whole Blue Compass area even.
Hence the blue carpet.
Hence the blue carpet. Whoa, what did they do here? They went with rhino lining? We've often wondered, could we do Airstream life too, besides van life?
I think so. I mean, obviously, KYD's done it for 7 years or 10 years
Right.
or 11 years.
These are nice setups.
And Mark and Trish are both still alive, so obviously
Yeah.
it's possible.
Yeah, they've made it. They've
Although
worked
I
out
don't
their
think Mark's near as crazy as you.
Rec Pro. Pretty busy show.
Yeah.
Saturday is going to be hectic.
450 degrees.
Silicone.
She's losing her voice.
Silicone. You can do that with? That's what she's talking about.
Yes.
You can put silicone in the oven?
I would like a silicone cupcake tier because then you can just pop them out.
Oh. Muffins too, right?
Right, that's what I'd like.
We got to be getting close. I see the CoachNet sign. Sheila finds it. She's the winner.
Winner, winner.
See, now it's less busy.
Good.
Because I was like, how does that combination work?
Oh, I remember.
Yeah.
I got you. Oh yeah, I'm trying to fill up. I got $30 off, right?
Yep.
I don't know. I don't remember.
It might have been 50.
Might have been 120. I don't know.
But we need both. We believe, because it's a.
Maybe you can straighten that out for us, because we're questioning.
We have a trailer, right? But it has to be. It can't be towed by a regular pickup. So
Has to be towed by a semi.
Has to be towed by a semi.
So you have a semi.
We have a semi.
We have a spacecraft.
That's on a trailer.
We have a semi that's towing a trailer, and our semi is registered as a motor home. So we were thinking we might need both. We might need the motor, this one, and then this one.
Are you only towing? Well, no, because you're only the trailer is only in tow when you're with the motorhome, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Right.
You can get a Premier Coach membership, and it's whatever the Premier Coach membership. How that works is it's covering whatever you're towing at the time. So if you are towing, that fifth wheel is covered.
Yeah, because it'll never go anywhere without it.
So our thing is the thousands of dollars of being the tow. Is it still unlimited as far as like mileage to get? Like if we break down in Utah and we have to go like 150 miles to somewhere, we know the tow bill is going to be thousands of dollars.
So it's unlimited to the nearest qualified repair shop. So it just kind of depends on where you break down, but we don't have a cap on mileage. So if it's like you're in a remote area and it is 150 miles away, we can cover that.
Versus like the normal like towing that's covered in normal policies or memberships that's usually capped at like $400 or $500.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Yeah, okay.
As long as it's always being towed by that
the semi.
registered as a motorhome.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, then we'll start that way.
Yes. Great.
All right, we made it back to Blue Compass.
Tomorrow.
It's calmed down. This is RV Complete, right? They have the dollar membership.
I'm sorry.
What's your first and last name?
Sheila.
At the show, you can sign up for that. But we were so looking at the CoachNet for like since we purchased our RV, it became like this really big thing, and then we didn't do it. And so now it's like in the back of my mind, at any point we'd have to end up being towed.
The VIN number on it, the motorhome.
How long's the truck?
The motorhome.
It is 32 feet.
Now, will that be connected inside our RV Complete app, or?
So it'll be two separate apps because this one is directly through CoachNet. So
Okay.
you'll still have the RV Complete app, but you'll also have to download the CoachNet app.
Okay.
And it'll just mean after midnight tonight when it's active, you'll be able to create your username and password.
Okay.
But I'll email you your membership number as well so you can get into that.
Okay.
Renew, it'll be $159.
Okay.
So it renews at 159 versus the 249.
After you're with us, it goes down.
For how far? Doesn't go to free.
No. So the cheapest we can end up getting it is $149.
Okay.
Service with a smile.
Look at that.
We shared in one of our other videos that coming to a show you get discounts and perks and updates, and you know, like they're doing $1.
Yeah. So
for RV
this we got RV.
Let's get out of that. Wow.
I can't see.
Yeah.
So so while we were here, we got RV Complete, our RV Complete membership for $1 for the first year, and then we also just signed up for CoachNet and saved like $40.
Yeah. And then it goes down the second year. So I think it's $249 the first year. Goes down the second year to like $159. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you? Should I say hi to the world?
I was thinking about you guys today. I'm like, I haven't seen them around.
Oh
Here we
yeah,
are.
we're wandering. We're wandering.
What brand of camera?
What's the camera?
It's the
That's an
Osmo
Osmo.
Pocket 360. Osmo.
Osmo.
We're in the camera.
You're buying a spacecraft.
Yeah, we're not even designed it.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're in
Yeah.
the queue. That's why we've been following you
That's
guys.
awesome.
We're not going big.
Listen, Greg needs to just start giving us like something. I bet there's been 10 something. Work with us here, Greg.
Come on, Greg.
Greg can give you a beer. Here's a beer. I think the thing for us though is if we needed a tow, $149 a year isn't anywhere gonna. I mean.
We get. Sorry, I had a lot of talking. It's fun to just visit with everyone as they're walking by, but the idea of what it would cost for us to be towed is that $5,000, $6,000, $8,000 range versus the yearly at $149 of what they're offering.
Well, here's the thing. Anybody, I don't know if anybody could be towed for $149.
No.
Right?
Now the thing is like if you're, I would say big rig, a lot of HDT people are out there right now. We process that we have like this subscription, or you have maybe, I don't know, your insurance can tow you. It may for like 100 miles or 50 miles, but with the weight becomes the issue. So you got to look for bigger items.
Well, and it's not a lot of, it is like per mile, however your insurance would do this many miles or up to this amount, that there's not that limitation with CoachNet.
Yeah.
It's the nearest service center.
And we also learned that Blue Compass purchased CoachNet in 2023, and they've been honoring that service, that higher service, so they can help with so many different things from locksmiths to whatever. So we purchased the premium package at $249.
And then we also have now our RV Complete. So I feel like we've got some
success.
Good success at the show for that.
So check them out. Check out, wait, there's Blue Compass right here. So check out Blue Compass if you're looking for RVs, and they're gonna have all kinds of show prices across the United States. They're gonna honor a bunch of stuff that's here. We are going to meander our way back through all of the crowd of people to be prepared for this weekend. We already know Saturdays are coming. It's gonna be a hectic one.
Oh, look at that big Blue Compass.
Oh, that
wall.
shows all of their spots here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all their different spots. We were in Alliance, we were at Integra, we were at Jayco. We didn't go to Sunseeker.
Didn't see him at Sunseeker. We saw him at Airstream. All right, so if you are coming to the show over the weekend, just make sure you stop by, see the salespeople at Blue Compass. They'd love to help you out. And also stop by that booth to get your RV complete and check out CoachNet. I really think that that's something we probably all should have.
Yeah, and if you're going to be here on Saturday afternoon around 3, come to hang out with us at the influencer thing or whatever they have going. We'd love to meet up with you.
Love to say hi.
Hug you, shake your hand, slap you around, whatever needs to happen. We'll take care of that. Okay, we're heading back. I got another mile walk. We're out.